Hey guys, it's me nightake here, and today I'm going to be making an Animal Jam video. So yeah. So let's see what we can do on here. I have some buddies online, but I want to go to a party. Let's see if there are any other. This one, I wanted to. Let's go to the party. Ooh, there are lots of members here. Wow, there's a lot of people here. I need someone. Oh no, it's not like you're gonna die. I am very cringy myself. I changed to an animal. That's not this one. I changed to this one. Okay, let's go over here. Let's go get something to eat. We'll get all the donuts. Oh no! It's not like it's not like. Wait, okay, what is? Need someone? Okay. Why does everyone like to say that? It's like it's not like you need help. Someone please help! Help please! I'm not making. Okay, fine. I'm making fun of them. Looks menu. I'm not going to date anyone because I don't want to online date. Shop. Ooh, what can I get here? Ooh, let's see what I can get here. Ooh, this is like a good. I forget. Here, these are good things for like walls and stuff. I'm just gonna buy a few of them. Yeah, I'm gonna buy a few of them. I'm gonna waste all my gems on these because I can use them for like stuff. Yeah, I'm wasting all my gems. 50th den item. I've only had this account since like August or something, like July. Brave, you're cringe too. LEL. Lel. Sad face. Sad face. It's not like gonna die. I keep overusing that. Cries. What's wrong? Answer. Okay, why are you dancing? A phantom zapped me. Not like you just go to sleep and you got back to life again. I still have my beautiful donut. Oh, hi person. You have a spike on it. I used to have a rim headdress, but I traded away. I'm a girl. I want to get another black long so I can get like at least a rim headdress. Then I can have like a black long with a rim headdress. Yay! 8, sadly. Nice ruffling. Nice ruffling. Okay, let's look at my animal. Let's see. Okay. I have literally the cringiest animals. I changed his fox and actually put a black long on it because it'll look better. Speaking of fox, a tiny little fox. I need boy. I meant a boy. You don't want to be gay? Wow. Wow, person. Wow. Okay, that looks better on the fox, to be honest. Okay, are these people like making a video or something? Wait, what? Okay, let's see. Let's watch people play. Let's see what they're saying. Okay, this is Princess Girl again. Goodbye. Okay, let's look over here. What about me? Oh, I like your name. There's this person over here too. Let's go up here. Who is spamming that? Someone found this spot. It was like, I gotta spam it. Cringe party. Who the heck is spamming that? Where do I get the donut? I'm a girl! Okay. I can see through your glasses. Like, I think I can see through the glasses. Okay. Stop thinking I'm a boy! Okay, I'm a boy, not a girl. I'm a girl, not a boy. Ah. Okay, that's interesting. Really? Really? I feel your pain. Oh, it's got a hoy. I'm a hoy. I'm a hoy, please. I'm a hoy. I'm not a girl. I'm a hoy. Okay, why am I making fun of these poor people? I'm not saying they're like, I'm not saying they have no rest, so they're just being poor people, not like, what is wrong with it? Someone gives me something they don't need. This is not a training party. This is a dinner party where boyfriends and girlfriends meet. Okay? This is where they meet. Okay? Okay. So I'm probably gonna end the video here. So thank you for watching. If you even finished the rest of the video. So thank you for watching. Bye.